From the heart of Vélez Rubio, Almería, Torrents Defense Support has dedicated more than 40 years to serving the defense industry.
Welcome to Torrents Defense Support, a family-run company with over 40 years of dedication to quality in the design and manufacture of back-for-artillery propelling charges, a field in which we have developed deep and proven expertise. The values we share are more present than ever. Excellence in every product, meticulous attention on detail in every process, and a profound respect for our heritage.
Today, those same values, quality, attention to detail, and a profound sense of legacy remain our compass.
Our production is 100% European, carried out entirely in-house, under strict quality control using raw material sourced from Spain and across Europe, while ensuring different working conditions and respect for human rights throughout the entire process.
In our facilities, every stage of the process is handled with great care. We oversee every detail because only then can we ensure that each piece meets the highest standards.
This is how we continue on the path of excellence with a clear mission to take our know-how beyond borders.
Our journey has made us a benchmark in the sector, with a solid national presence and an international reach that continues to grow. We adapt, we innovate, we embrace new challenges, because the world changes, and so do we.
At Torrents Defense Support, we believe in relationships built on trust and a shared commitment to excellence. Our experience, flexibility, and total production control are strategic assets that allow us to meet our clients' goals with precision. If we share these values, we'll make a great team. Let's build the future of defense.
Torrents Defense Support.